Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm doing a semi-glam makeup. So starting off, I'm spraying my face with the Olay Energizing mist. I love this mist. I have used it in several videos. I actually love to put it on my face first before my primer. I let it soak in for like a minute, and then I get ready for the entire face. I first prime with my e.l.f. putty primer. I use this just in my T-zone area because that's where I have most of my pores, and actually I think on top of my lip and also in my on my chin. I just use it at those areas because I know that those are the areas that needs to be blurred. And then for the rest of the face, I use my Lancôme Prep and Matte primer all over my face to get it ready for my foundation. Then we're color correcting with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the orange shade. In all the areas that I do have hyperpigmentation and dark circles. For the brows, I'm using my Urban Decay brow blade in the shade Dark Drapes. It's dual-ended. I use the felt tip to fill in to create like the hair-like strokes, but then I use the pencil side to just draw out the outline of my eyebrows. Then I use my ABH brow gel to brush out my hairs to make sure that they are locked and kept in place throughout the day. And I'm setting all the areas that I highlighted with the concealer with the Airspun translucent setting powder. To set the entire face and tie everything together, I'm using Makeup Forever ProFinish foundation powder to set the entire face. And then Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C11 to prep the eyelids for my eyeshadow. And then going into my Juvia's Place Warrior 2 palette, I got the warm brown shade. I honestly cannot think of the shade that I used. I just did not film it, or maybe I lost the footage, but it is like a reddish brown shade, so I just used it in my crease as my transition shade, but I concentrated it also in my outer lid. And then I went in with my Lolita palette from KatVonD. I went in the shade Corazon. I used that shade in the outer parts of the eye. I love this palette so much. It is an all matte palette, and it's a good, easy palette. It blends out so well. So you guys should try it out. Alright guys, so that is it. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you. Make sure that you follow me on my social media. The names will be on the screen. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.